Welcome to the JGIVE use case video for creating and editing a lesson using algorithm visualizations. First, we hover over the Educators tab and click on Create a Lesson. This brings you to the page where you can create a hypertext lesson. We will be demonstrating the rest of the features using a pre-populated lesson we have made for you. The most important feature is the Add an Algorithm Visualization, or AV for short, expandable field above references. If you click on this field, you will then be able to insert a button that links to an AV right into the content of the lesson. Currently, all of the visualizations come from the JGIVE project, but many more algorithm visualizations will be available. When you are adding an AV, you can either make up your own label or leave it blank to use the name of the algorithm you selected. Next, you pick a section to add the AV to, then select the algorithm. You can enable quiz mode on these visualizations, which will report scores back to the site. Once you are satisfied with your AV settings, click Insert the Algorithm. You will then see your button appear in the section you selected. If you wish to move your AV to somewhere else in your lesson, simply cut and paste. If you wish to delete the AV, then delete the button. If you add an AV with a quiz, then the quiz must be deleted with the Remove an Algorithm Visualization Quiz expandable field below the Add AV field. After you have finished filling in the content, pick a category that suits your lesson. Then you can either save your lesson for further editing or publish your lesson to the catalog. If you save your lesson for further editing, it will only be available to edit under the Educators tab under My Lessons. The lesson will not appear in the catalog, nor can it be assigned to students. Editing your own lessons is achieved by simply viewing the lesson and hitting the Edit tab. If you choose to publish your lesson, then the lesson immediately appears in the catalog and is still accessible for editing.